Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Captain of Industry. Captain Ghost reporting in on our. This isn't a small island, but I'm gonna call it a little island for now because we're kind of in a little tight area here. Last episode, boy, we cranked out some stuff. We got a lot of the tutorial work done. I'm hoping to start live streaming this because it's gonna be like just a lot of busy work, you know, setting this up, doing this, doing that. And then, I'll set up, have a stream. It'll be named ST whatever episode we're on. And then I'll summarize. I'll do like an episode and maybe in between to kind of summarize some things that we did on the stream, or I did on the stream. But for now, we got some stuff we got to do today. We got the farms kind of straightened out a little bit. Copper is running, iron is running. Oh yeah, and then we did our coal power hidden away in the trees here. So we got some good stuff going on. Oh, let's check this out. No, notice how we have this red bar here. It kind of is an indicator that we can fit more of these flywheels down. So let's go ahead and copy and paste one down. And what this will do, and then another thing I forgot to mention is auto balance. When you get flywheels, put the auto balance on. If you set the power up before you have flywheels, have the auto balance off. And if you mouse over this eye, when enabled, the turbine will be automatically paused once the shaft is nearly fully charged to save input product from being wasted, meaning the coal or whatever you're burning. Now, because you can actually use there's fuel burners too that you can use that burn fossil fuel, heavy oil, light oil, things like that, hydrogen. So anyway, the product resumes once the shaft charge gets too low. Keep in mind that when turbine starts, it takes some time to get to full power. Now, that's why you need the flywheels to keep because it'll kick on when the inertia starts to drop on the flywheel itself. So now we got two. Now notice how it dropped down. So that means we could fit another flywheel on here. Another little indicator, a visual indicator, is we have one little motor spinning here basically. This is generating the electrical power here. The steam is turning that. And this one isn't turning at all. So that means we have quite a bit of capacity. If you look up here, we're at about 900 kilowatts. So, and we have 4.8 megawatts. Now, it is counting the diesel over here. Way over here. I think it's counting this. So if you leave these on the map, like I mentioned last episode, it is taking maintenance whether it's paused or not. The exception is, we got to repair this. Let's send that out. The exception is on stuff out in the world. Yeah, we have the parts loaded there. So, yeah, let's go ahead and repair that. We'll deliver the cargo. And now that that is gone, I'm going to wait. We need to get the cargo ship repaired out in the world. And that's this thing right here. And once we get, I think, now see how it says 0 of 2 up here? I am not too sure what that means. I think they give us a free cargo ship to bring the oil in, or I don't think it's counting this as a cargo ship. But, yeah, once we repair that, then I don't know if it becomes 1 of 2 or whatever, I don't know. Oh, and then it tells you it's been delivered. And while we're out here, we might as well explore something. And there it is, it's repaired. It has a little progress bar on there. Now, what's crazy with these thing? Oh, okay, that's only one. I thought that was a second one there. So if you click on the oil rig, and we have like limestone, we have rock, quartz, and uranium. I think that, and then there's a water derrick that we can tap into. It's an infinite water derrick. You can upgrade these, and each time it takes more parts and then more expensive parts, things like that. The most I've seen is when you do an upgrade. Oh, there's a pirate. Okay, get out of there. It will get up into the red components. It doesn't do anything higher than that. It goes yellow, never white. The construction ones, it's always yellow or higher or yellow or red. It may start out at yellow, but for the most part, this is like the only one. Maybe there's another one out there that takes yellow to start with, but most of them start off at red components, and then it gets up to like 1,200 to I think it's like 2,000 red components to upgrade one of these things. But I think I've gotten one up to like level 18, and it goes up in twos. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So it took me, 9 or so, whatever, 8 repairs to get up to full capacity. And another thing about this is when you repair these, or when you upgrade them, it takes, if your slider bar here goes up higher, so it's faster. You can make it faster. The issue though is it takes more workers and more Unity, and I don't know how it affects the maintenance. I have to take a look at that again, and then your capacity goes up too. So your stored product, you'll be able to store more. It's faster, but it takes more people and more Unity. And another thing too, I think I mentioned this already, but this whole map out here, this entire, kind of little interface, if we have 3 oil rigs, if all 3 are running, they all count as one resource. So if you have 3 oil rigs running at 2, level 2, so you have 2x on there, it's 54 times 3, and it's 2120 times 3. So in your oil rigs, let's say you have 2 oil rigs and both of them leave or whatever, they're only going to leave if there's enough oil, first of all. So if you have 2 oil rigs and there's enough oil for both of them to leave, they'll both leave, pick up oil, and come back, which is kind of cool. And that could very well happen. You might have an oil rig on either side of the island and processing diesel, which is possible that I might be doing that. Okay, so this thing is now here, so let's go home. And what we'll do is we'll load the cargo ship here. Oh, and then, we have wheat farming done. There's all kinds of cool stuff we're going to get from that. Oh, and we have flue gas that comes out of that. Advanced diesel is done. This is the next phase of diesel, and then that's, for some reason, that stays up there. The ship battle that we were in. Okay. Now, speaking of research, let's keep this going. Let's get these ship weapons queued up here, and then the armor. So this gives us a front and rear gun, and then this gives us extra armor plating. And what that does is when you click on the dock, over here you have ship stats, and right now we have 1,000 hit points and a tank. That's it. It takes 15 people to operate this. Now, here's the rub. As you upgrade your ship, it requires more crew. So you have to increase your population to run it, which is kind of funny. But you don't have to upgrade it. We get the research done and upgrade it. But if you're going to go out and explore, you might as well have the ship upgraded so you can, take care of the pirates and not have it be a wasted trip, and all that. So right now we're loading the iron here. We got 220 in there. Okay, now it's done, and we don't need to repair. So let's go ahead and deliver the cargo to that ship. And while we're out, we'll hit this. All right, now here's our tutorial. It tells us it's a snail, meaning you don't have to do it, but produce diesel, all that crap. Yeah, it doesn't. I think they're gonna have us do the cargo ship. I'm not sure. Okay. So we have this thing right here, the basic distiller. That's gonna come out. So we got our planning mode on. Oh, and then we got all these things down here. So we got a seawater pump now. Cool. And then we have the mill. We have a baking unit. We'll get into all this stuff, don't worry. Okay, ship weapons. There we go. Got that out of the way. Okay. We have now basic distillation 1. And we're going to face it this way, I think. Yeah. Heavy oil, light oil, crude in. Yeah. So basically we're going to take the... Well, here's the crude oil here. So we'll face it this way. Well, let's see how this works out first. Okay. Now, stage 2 has a medium oil input. So it goes right up top. And it connects right on in. And then we're going to get another stage, and it'll take the light oil and crack it down as well. And this is a pretty complex system here. Nothing like Pyanodons, factorial Pyanodons, but it is still a little bit complex. Now, we're going to have a sour water output. We have a steam input. Oh, how's our ship? Okay, it's there. Yeah, let's go explore here. Get the use of that gas tank there. Oh, and now notice how it's 1 of 2. So, like I said, I don't know where this other one is. Maybe it's out in the world somewhere. I don't know. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and pop that oil in there. Now, since this... You know what? I know what I'm going to do. Okay, let's copy this. We're going to cut it. And then F to flip it. Then we got to rotate. Oh, okay. Let's see. So, yeah, the sour water is on the other side. I suppose that, yeah, let's see here. What is this? Let's put that there. Up, battle. Go back. Okay, it should be coming home. Yeah, we'll just send it home right away. Yeah, there's not much more we can do. Oh, and by doing that, we discovered some other areas there. Okay, so the sour water and the steam are on that side. Yeah, I guess I'm just going to go with this orientation here. I was hoping that it would flip the sour water with the steam, those two. But what it did is it flipped. Wait a minute, let me see again. Let's copy. Let's hit F. Oh, you know what? Maybe I got to cut it. Let's go F. Okay, steam F. And that is the medium oil. Heavy oil is on that side now. Steam is on that side. I kind of like that. Yeah. Oh, okay. I like this one. That orientation's better. Yeah, let's cut that. Get... Oh, wait. I didn't want to do that. Get rid of that. And we'll cut this one. And then I'll plop it in there. Right. Because what I want to do is I want to snake... Oh, I don't have a coal thing here. I want to do the steam here. I was hoping the steam would be on this side and the sour water would be over here, but we can't have that. We can't have that. Okay, now what we need is a boiler. Smokestacks, flare stack, burner, and level 2 pipe. And here's our cargo ship. So the cargo ship has modules that you connect to it. They have a unit module. That's for finished goods. Loose modules like for iron ore, copper ore, and fluid is for obviously, you know, oil and water. I think that's all there is, oil and water. Oh, there we go, ship armor. Let's keep our research going here. Oh, we'll get storage 2 out of the way. It's double the storage 1, so 160 or 180 to 360. We have edicts done. We'll knock out the corn. The organic fertilizer is kind of nice to have, but okay. This is the gas combustion, so we could take heavy, medium, light, and flue gas and generate steam. Interesting how flue gas creates CO2 and the others are just pollution. So add that to the queue. Food Market 2. That's nice to have. Food Market 2, it takes a few more people to operate, but you can put 2 foods in 1 unit. So that's nice to have. And then steel. Steel uses oxygen, and it's the same setup as your iron. And then in order to get molten steel, you add oxygen. Then we get an air separator, which is just oxygen and nitrogen. It takes the air, breaks it apart. We add water to cool the molten steel to steel plate. So we'll add that in there. And we've got that one. Oh, here, construction parts 3 already. Now, what this does, it unlocks the cement. And there's 4 recipes for these. Manufactured sand is new in the game. And I think it's you grind up stone or rock and you get it. So I haven't used that yet in any of my tests. And these are all the recipes here. Oh, and then this one way down here. Steel to mechanical parts. Now, at a glance, what's interesting is it's 12 steel to 24 versus 30 iron to 24. It's like a little productivity in there. And I always forget that's there. So remind me if I forget, but we got to set that up for our mechanicals. Because it's much, much better. It's basically, I think it's because we have a 50% reduction from molten iron to steel, but so if it's 50% reduction, we're gaining like 3, I think it's 3 less iron plate you could equate it to, I don't know, per mechanical part, and that adds up. So yeah, we'll add that to the queue. So this is a lot of stuff here. We get the assembly 2, we got a concrete mixer 2, and then we can, oh wait, do we need, oh yeah, we can do it. What else is in here? Mechanical parts. Yeah, these are all assembly level 2 recipes. But what throws you off, this one right here, it's so buried in here. I think that this should be sorted up top higher, because it's hard to see it. So I think we're good on this here design. Oh, the steam is over here too. Son of a gun. I just noticed that. Well, should I'm going to pause it. Well, you know what? No, because we're doing research, I want to keep that going. Because, yeah, the steam, see how the steam is on this side now? Let me cut this. And let's go F. Rotate. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay, so I can pull the diesel out and go this way and tap into this right here. Yeah. Now what I'm gonna do, this is we've got this wastewater here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna convert this to sour water. Okay, we'll do that now. And we'll kick our sour water right to this pipe here. Okay. Now, let's spin this way, and we're going to get underwater here. We're going to get... oh, wait. Is it underwater? Oh, no. Yeah, water. There we go. Found it. Boiler. Okay. Steam. We're going to go... I guess we can go right here. We'll go a little close. And then we're going to need an exhaust pipe here. Smokestack. Put that there. We'll connect that to there. Oh, see now, it's grabbing the level 2 pipe. So here's our storages there. And that drives me nuts. Get that out of there. I don't know why it grabbed the level 2. I think I clicked on it and now it takes it as the default. But we don't need level 2 pipes for this. This is low throughput here. Okay, now let's pull this one out. Now, notice how it does that little dipsy-do. It's kind of cool. And we'll go over here. And then let's go like that. Then we'll go down. There we go. So it's kind of curves up. I don't know why it does that. We'll connect to there. Okay. And since now you don't want to run the sour water and wastewater on the same pipe, no matter what you're doing. I'm not going to do it here because this is going to come out here. This is obsolete now. Corn farming. There we go. Okay, we got organic fertilizer. This, for some reason, this has trouble evacuating two different things. Your pipes get mixed up, and it doesn't really do well with it. I don't know why. Okay, now we need water for this. Okay, where's our water? Way the hell over here. How did I do water for this before? Turn the levels off. Yeah, we'll have to pipe water over here, so that's no big deal. Okay, now what we got to do here is we got to get a flare stack now. And where's that? There it is. We got to flare stack the heavy and light for now. And then when we unlock technology later on, we'll be able to utilize those products and kind of process them further. Now this is, you can leave all these on, but we're going to pull them out. Oh wait, yeah. So I think that's heavy oil, and this is going to be light oil here. See, now by default, trucks will not be allowed to deliver cargo here, so I'm glad it defaults to not. So that helps out a lot. Okay. Let's go ahead and put a storage down. We'll do our loose storage 2 now. And we'll plop this baby. I think I'm going to put it here, actually. Oh, you know what? The water's there. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we'll do this to there, because this will bounce out. And then I'm going to pull this out. We'll go... What are you doing? Okay, go down. Yeah, see how it does this goofy turn. Well, I'll just put that there. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. Yeah, we'll leave it. Okay. And now we'll tie our diesel in. And I think we'll just kind of snake it on over. I don't want to go around that way. And it tends to do what it wants, what it thinks is correct, but yeah. Now, notice how when we ghosted that down, these trucks now can't get out. And so they thought they were getting out of the way, but they're not. So what we got to do is we got to get the pipe out of there so they can move. They're not, they're not going to be smart enough to know to move. Oh, let's go here then. Okay, now we'll go over. Yeah. And there. And there. Okay, organic fertilizer. There we go. Good to go. Okay, now this is going to be coal. And we'll do a halfway. Oh, and then we want to... trucks will not... trucks will not be allowed to pick up. We don't want that. Because this is going to be our diesel. This is not a general storage. This is going to be deliver here and that's it. Alright. Oh, and now we can upgrade this. Let's do that. It takes these additional parts. And it'll double the fuel storage. We want that on because we want the fuel available for us there. And then... Oh, another thing too. There is a recipe we're going to get. And I'm going to move that up. And it'll use sulfur and our diesel to get our rubber. So we want that one. And notice how it removed the wastewater component. Oh, so you know what? Oh, we're going to need to... Okay, I forgot. Okay, let's copy this. And can we go here? No, it's running into that rock. Okay, we'll go right here. And let's unpause this one. Yeah, I forgot. We're still going to need this recipe here, so that's no problem. And we'll get rid of that. And then we'll pop onto that. And we'll pull the sour water off on that one. Pull the wastewater off on that one. And we'll just start keying this up here. I think we're ready to do all this pipe work here. Pop those on. And then that one. Oh, I missed. There we go. And then we've got this one here. Cool. And then we'll have our diesel up and running. And then we'll see where we're at with this in a minute. Now, let's take a look at our water, our layers here. Man, that is so far away. I do not remember water. I don't remember what I did for my water on my test save. Let's see. All right, we'll get a water extractor or groundwater pump. And we just have to pipe it on over. Okay. Let's unpause that. And then we'll get a pipe. And we'll just pipe it on over. Oh, they brought the water here manually. That's funny. Well, now it's running. Okay. I think they brought it from the water extractor because it's set to auto. And it's built. Wow, look at that, huh? Oh, there's the gas combustion. Now we got the food market. I might have to get more trucks. Oh, I'm down to 5 workers. Oh, no. 350. Let's see. We're going to turn that on. Or off. Growth pause. And let's... we have Unity for this, so let's go ahead and unpause the radar tower. Calling all people. Okay, and then we'll unpause it. 118. I can't remember what I did on my prior save because I have a test save because I have to relearn the technologies and stuff, and I'm doing that and I'm applying it to this save here. And oh, what happened here? Oh, it's out of coal. Yeah, that's fine. When we get the water line here. Oh, and I gotta do this one here. Unpause that. Okay. Food market is done. Oh, now let's check that out really quick here. Okay, so what we can do is we can upgrade this to a food market 2. It's going to take the components listed there, preparing upgrade there. And what this will allow me to do is I can belt this over here underneath. Now, unfortunately, it has to go into this port here. So I'll have to, I think I might jog this belt over and take it wide so I can go over the belt, or I'll just have to go over this way here. Let's see. We can do a oh, it's a flat. Yeah. So let's see how this will work. Now, this is why I did the ramps, you know. Let's go up. Oh, let's go here. And then... Oh, yeah, look at that. These belts, man, they're so wonky. Let's go back. Oh, wait, yeah. Let's go back there. Ah, there's refugees. Yeah, I guess we could do that. Okay, it's going to be a while there. So what do we get? Oh, we got tons of stuff. All right, cool. 14 people. And that'll get us up to 20 workers. So 14 refugees expecting in 8 months now. And I think the months go up and it caps at 18, as I said before. Right? That's what I've noticed it to be. Okay. Steam is cooking. Oh, I forgot this thing. Let's do a quick deliver on that because we have Unity to spend. There we go. Okay, now this whole system is going to start working. So what's happening is the medium oil is backed up. We don't have... Oh, did I forget the Steam input for this one? Wait a minute. Where is that? Oh, here it is. Ah, quick deliver. Yeah. See, those ghosts are so hard to find. You know, like you'll see one little pipe, and you're like, "Where is it?" There we go. Now we're gonna look at 3 and 4. Come on. I want the tutorials over with. We got to do the boat, cargo ship, collect our parts. There we go. Research and build cargo depot 2, steel smelting. There we go. Research and build cargo depot 2. I thought we did. Oh, here it is right here. They want this one. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, so we had to research this anyway, so I'm glad I did. Sulfur processing. Yeah, this is a good one here. That's important. We'll go ahead and... Let's get some edicts out of the way. Water saver, growth boost, 2. Oh, interesting. I didn't know there's a 2. Farming boost 2. I don't usually do growth boosts. It would be helpful when you're playing on Admiral or Captain and you get hit with a disease. You do the growth boost 2 and you can get your population quicker back, you know, recover it. Recycling. Sulfur processing. I thought I clicked on that. Okay. Oh, yeah, I didn't. I looked at it. Copper 2. We'll get the belts out of the way, I guess. This is these belts here have it follows with the pipes. It's 200, 450 for the higher value pipe. New refugees. Hurrah! Cool. Okay, 315. So I am going to turn the beacon off. Okay, or pause it. And you want to keep an eye on your food. We have 84 months of food there. Okay, now let's unpause the... Wait a minute. Yeah, let's get that going. Now we can put vegetables in this one. Now... Okay, let's do this to here. And then we'll unpause that. Quick deliver. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, now I'm going to pause this belt. Yeah. And come on. There we go. I thought I clicked on it. There we go. Okay, so I want to delete that. Okay, good. Now, okay, and it automatically unpauses the belt for you when it disconnects. So now we're going to have potatoes and vegetables in one of these here. And then I think that I'm going to keep it simple. Oh, I got to make this an irrigated farm. Let's go ahead and upgrade that. And is that right? I'm going to do a different ramp here as well. What do we got here? Food market 2. Here's our steel, cold casting, and oxygen furnace. There's our boiler for gas. I don't know why it's underwater, but it is. Oh, and the air separator. There we go. All right. So this one, I'm going to use this ramp instead for these. And so I'm going to go ahead and dismantle this one. Yeah, let's just do that. Unpause it. Oh, wow, a lot of concrete. Do I have concrete set up? I think... Oh, I don't have concrete set up. Hold on. Oh, it takes the concrete bricks. Oh, crap. And I don't have them. I wonder if I could trade for them. Let's see here. I can. 40? Okay. Well, I got wood, so I'm not worried about that. Plus, we could do wood farms. I gotta do it twice, though, to finish that. There we go. Okay. I've never had to do that. I forgot I have to set up limestone to get the concrete blocks for this thing, but I wanted to get this in now. There we go. Now let's go ahead and pop the water in on here. Oh, there's the mixer. There's the assembly 2. Oh yeah, electric assembly 2. Yeah. So hit T. Whoops. T. Come on. Pipe. And pop into there. All right. So now the pipe strategy. I might have to back that up. Now I think about it. Oh, I think I'm gonna pull the water pipe back, because then we'll have room for the fertilizer. Fertilizer's a pain in the ass in this game. I was hoping they would have fixed it, but they didn't. Okay, now. Oh. Quick deliver. There we go. Now that'll help with our potato production. Cool. Got rain. There we go. Okay, now we're filling up on that. Now, look at this. Of course, it's going to take a million years for this to run out. Now, I'm okay with doing these ramps for this. I could do a double ramp over here, too, but I don't think I'm going to need to worry about it. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at... Wait, where are we at? Cargo Depot 2. We're still working on that. And it's going to pop up under here. Oh, wait. Research and build. Oh, okay. We just got to build it. All right, let's go ahead and do that. And can I... These are kind of weird. Kind of a pain in the butt. There we go. We got it. Okay. Oh, I need the bricks. Son of a beehive. You know what? This sucks. Have your cargo ship import crude oil from the oil rig. Let's check our oil rig here. Okay. Yeah, so we need 0.8 unity, 36. We've got it. Yeah, let's go ahead and run this thing. So what's going to do, it's generating 54 crude oil every 60 seconds. And it's weird because, look, it says 18. So each time this bar goes by, that's 1836. So that is 15 seconds. Or no, that's 20 seconds. So that bar is a 20-second bar, not a 60-second bar. That's one thing that kind of throws you off. And I'm glad because I was trying to figure out what is this bar telling me. So that makes sense now. So every 3 cycles of that green bar is what it's telling you here. That makes sense. Okay. Very good. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to set up the concrete bricks. And if you hit H on your keyboard, this is where our little tree guy is. I'm going to have to clear out some stuff here so I can get limestone going. And, come on. There you go. If we go to recipes here, so we're going to look at the concrete slab, they call it. And we have to make cement, which means we need limestone. And the coal is to cook it, in the rotary kiln. And then we get cement and exhaust out of that. And then down here is the consumption. So we have to set up a sand thing. We can crush rocks into gravel, but we have plenty of sand, so I'm just going to use that. Now here is the new manufactured sand, and this is how you make it. It's from gravel. So you take rock, crush it, and make gravel. Then you take the gravel, crush it, and you get manufactured sand. So, and that's how there were 2 ways to get sand. And so the manufactured sand is new. It used to be you crush rock to gravel and then gravel to sand. Now you have to take quartz and crush it to get sand. That's what they changed. And then, but yeah, it used to be rock to gravel to sand. Now it's manufactured sand, and use it obviously in building materials. So it was kind of nice to have that, I think, separated. And it gives quartz a little more. It used to be quartz direct to electronic stuff. And now it's sand to electronic stuff, which is quartz to sand. Or you can use your beach sand. Oh, and then one of the things that I forgot about is, oh, look, see? Oh, no, we haven't done this yet. Let's go ahead and kick this off. Now, notice we have pluses here. So here's the gun. And ship has to be repaired. Okay, so we have to repair the ship. It's going to take 11 iron plate. Ah, captain's office too. There we go. Oh, and we have to... Oh, we can upgrade it. Let's go ahead and upgrade that. Oh, let's cancel it. We need the red components for that, so we'll have to work on that too. Okay, so they're going to bring the iron plate here. There it is, and it's quick. It depends on how damaged your ship is. Now we come here, gun, front, continue, and it's going to bring the iron plate and the mechanical parts. So I'll wait for that, and then we'll end the episode here. Okay, there it goes. Okay, now once it delivers all the parts, then it's working, and watch the ship. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, it did pop. I thought it would change the boat a little bit, but yeah, now we have guns at the front. So there you go. And if you click on this plus sign here, we have gun rear now, another 180 plus 40 mechanicals, but we'll do that next time. We'll upgrade the ship and all that. And now be mindful that if you explore, you bring home diseases, and the further out you go, the worse they get. There's like deadly flu, you know, basically a colony, almost a colony killer. But I mean, you could lose like 100 or 200 people, depending on, you know, how bad the flu, if you get one of those deadly flus. So yeah, you don't want to go exploring too much if you're playing on the tougher modes, you know. Okay, so I think we'll end it there. We got our ship upgraded now. And I paused the research, so I'm going to unpause that. And that way, that's running. My mechanical parts are having issues here. See, now this is why you want your maintenance to be separate, see? Because I wouldn't have any mechanical parts for maintenance right now. So that's why I did it separately like that. Cool. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Hope you're learning something if you're playing along, or you're new to the game and stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.